Hello and welcome to today's video, all about the amazing benefits of drinking herbal teas. Herbal teas have become very popular in recent years, whether you need help getting a good night's sleep or you're looking to boost your energy. There's a blend out there for pretty much every issue. Here are 5 punch-packing favourites. Number 1, green tea. Loaded with the antioxidants and flavonoids, a warming cup of green tea can help to ward off free radicals, unstable molecules in the body that damage healthy cells. Studies have also found that it can protect against heart disease, clear up acne, and act as a powerful anti-inflammatory. Plenty of people drink green tea throughout the day, but it's worth remembering that it naturally contains caffeine. So if you're a restless sleeper, it's better to get your hit first thing in the morning rather than last thing at night. Number 2, chamomile tea. Gentle and calming. Experts have claimed that the flavonoids in this sedative tea act as a mild tranquilizer and sleep inducer, binding to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain. Just the tonic to help you switch off next time you are tossing and turning into the early hours. Several studies have also linked chamomile to reducing menstrual pain, targeting inflammation and lessening migraines. 3. Turmeric tea. Also known as golden milk, turmeric tea might just be one of the healthiest beverages going. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, which is responsible for its yellow colour, is where the health benefits lie. As an anti-inflammatory, a 2017 study found that curcumin could reduce the most prominent symptoms of arthritis and joint pain. Researchers have also credited the tea for boosting immune functions, lowering cholesterol, and even preventing Alzheimer's disease. Number 4, peppermint tea. Often referred to as the stomach healer. This fragrant tea will be your best friend during your next hangover. Why? Because studies have found that menthol has antispasmodic effects, which can help soothe many stomach ailments, including aches, pains, cramps, and even flatulence. Drinking a cup of peppermint tea in the days leading up to menstruation may also help to treat any stomach upsets. Number 5, echinacea tea. Drinking echinacea tea has been found to be effective in shortening the duration of cold and flu symptoms, while one study found that it could reduce the odds of developing a cold by 58%. The tea itself has a very strong floral taste that takes some getting used to, but if you've got a big event coming up and you're determined not to fall ill, it might be worth safeguarding yourself by knocking back a daily cuppa.